bobbed up for that greenhouse, so it took 20 minutes to take it down. So just have to get that home now. Borrowed windsock for a bit of, in case anybody runs it back of us. So, come now, see you in a bit. Well, there you go. I've got it to fit, finally. Bit of cutting with the angle grinder. But what I've done, I've shortened the length. So I've took one section out, so it's only 6 foot now. And I've cut that bit off the back, if you look there. So it's only 4 foot that way. So that's plenty for me, 6 foot 4 by 4 foot. I could put my door here, and obviously it'll open that way. So, in my greenhouse, there's my view. Obviously I'm going to lift it up, probably a breeze block high, and I'll put some kind of false floor in there, so I'll just leave this open, because it's got a grid here, see. These are going to go obviously, but just fits nice there, doesn't it? I've got to fix all that together now, work out some way of doing this back. I've got all the metal for doing it, and should be good to go. Greenhouse at home. Oh, I keep banging my knee on that plant pot though, I'm going to have to move it. Third time I've banged it. There we go. At least I want straightening up there, but it's alright, isn't it? Plenty of room around it. Put that water bottle where that thingy was, that plant pot, because that's moving. I don't know what's in it, I can't remember. Ow, my knee. I might put it on top of the wall, because that's only a penstemon in that. Yeah, well, I'll do that. But anyhow, I'll crack on with that. So just cut some off that back one, fix that one on, and then fiddle away till I get it right, and then get the glass down, get this up allotment. That I'll bring it home tomorrow, I'll give it a good washing. What I'll do with this, I'll give it a good wire brushing and paint it before I put the glass in. Well, happy with that. See you tomorrow. Should be nearly done that. Back. What a lovely day today. Lovely day for getting this finished off. Right, I got it basically up yesterday. So I just need to finish that bottom rail and put some legs out back, and then I'll sub up there. But before I do all that, just come across these up near allotment. Freebies, look at them. Brand spanking new 12-inch scaffold boards. Excuse me, can't speak. So, I'm going to make a base, knock a base up, sit that on, and then it's all nice and level. And then we'll get it fixed up. I've got all glassing car, 33 pens. I moved this from that corner because I kept banging my leg in it. But it looks better up there anyway. It fills that out now. That jasmine. So it meets up with that laurel. So once I tie all that in after, it'll look nice and neat. So melted. Somebody was asking me yesterday why I didn't do it half that way and still have the door on. Well, obviously if I did it that way, I'd have to turn it that way to get my 4 foot in, and my door would be here. So that's why. It turned out alright anyway. Looks neat enough. Look different again without glasses in. So I'll crack on with that base. Just a square, simple base I'm going to make. Boom, there you go. Just let me go out of here. Knock it spared. So there you go, just knocked the basics, base up. Good farm that wood. Ken and Henry. yeah. So I've got my nice finished them bars off. Just lifted it up a bit higher, that too. A bit more light it back. Belting. Yeah, steady it up now and then clean that glass up and start getting it in, I think. Belting. Freebie wood. Can't whack it. There you go. And a bit nearer. I've got this burr across here now, just to fix these two. But I'm having this glazed on the inside in case anything happens to the glass that I can't get at the back, can I? So this side and that side I'm having glazed inside, the other two glazed outside. So, and then will be outside obviously. I've got two more burrs to put in the little ones and fix these two. Look at it. Just bang my knee on a piece of metal. I think I've cut it. Looking okay, innit? I've got a glass in by dinner time. Don't know what time it is now, but we'll be starting putting it in by dinner. But now, Brewtown. Well, I've been on this all day. It's 20 to 3 now. You know, I got back from allotment about 8:30 this morning, 9 o'clock. So I've been on here ever since. I've not stopped. But I've got it half glazed now. I'm just going to clean this clock. I couldn't be out, but beep, couldn't be bothered cleaning this glass while it was off. So I'm going to clean it. I'll clean one side, obviously the back side of that. But the inside I'm going to clean when it's up. But it's a body greenhouse now. This is nice and tall. So that's got the, well, that's about 10 inch that board. Then you've got 2, 4, 6 foot, and then another foot, so 7, nearly 8 foot tall in the middle of this. So bolted, and it's nice and steady now, solid as a rock. So all I've got to do now is go around and finish this glazing off. But I think them will need cutting for that roof, so I'm going to have to get Henrik cut some tomorrow for me. I'll have to get measurements after. But these should be pretty straightforward. I need, for this top here, I'll need them strips of glass, them about 6 inches long. I don't know why it is on this. But if you look, it's just over 1, 2, and it's just over. Well, that's the strip of glass that they used to have all the way around. So I'll not need it there, obviously, because I just put full pieces in. I'll just put a triangle back at top. And I shouldn't need it there, I will not need it there. Hang on, 1, 2, yeah, I will need a piece there. Because that piece only comes up to there. So, thinking cap. That's what's taken so long, really. Because it's not all straightforward in one there. I've chopped and changed it. It's getting there though. It's all neat in there at the top. So, I'm going to pick the door up tomorrow. Obviously, and I'll get some more of this glass in today. But speaking okay. Alright, Blue. He's fed up because he's not been for a walk. But what can you do when your shoes let water in? Right, Blue. Right. What time is it now? 20 to 3. I'm going to pack in for today now. Because she only will be home in a bit, so I'm going to make some tea for us. She'll be home at 4. Half 4. So I'll get our tea on now and then I'll finish that off tomorrow.